Good day, welcome to the Prokon YouTube channel. My name is Johan Duplessis. In this video, I will show you how to use pads for the beam element input in Frame. In pads, I have drawn lines that represent the center lines of the beams. Each line color represents a different section. The drawing was done to scale in millimeters. I will use the Generate Frame Input File macro to send the geometry to Frame Analysis. This is the simple Pratt truss supported by two columns. I will use the macro to generate the frame input file. I want the elements to be on the XY plane, and I'm specifying it as beam elements. First, I select the structure, and then I will indicate the handle origin. Now that I have my model in Frame, I can start by defining the beam sections. You will see that I have three different beam sections corresponding to the three different line colors used in pads. I'm going to rotate the top chord by 180 degrees. And that concludes the topics that I wanted to cover in this video. Of course, you can add supports, loads, and change the analysis type, but that is not within the scope of this video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.